Hello, word lovers, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of words to uncover the meaning and usage of a very common term. Our word of the day is computer, an A1 level noun meaning electronic device for tasks. So, what exactly is a computer? Simply put, a computer is an electronic device that can perform calculations, process data, and execute tasks based on instructions given to it. Think of it as a very sophisticated tool that helps us with everything from writing emails to creating amazing graphics. We use computers every single day. You might be listening to this podcast on a computer, or perhaps on your phone, which is essentially a mini computer in your pocket. In everyday language, we often use the word computer to refer to the desktop or laptop machines we use at home or in the office, but it's important to remember that the term encompasses a much wider range of devices. Now, let's explore some synonyms for computer. While there isn't a perfect synonym that captures the exact meaning, we can use words like processor, machine, or device in certain contexts. For instance, instead of saying my computer is running slowly, you could say the processor seems to be overloaded, although this is a more technical usage. Another example is, the office provides each employee with a machine for their work, which refers to a computer. Or, my new smart home device is really a small computer. Now, let's consider antonyms. Since computer refers to a specific type of electronic device, finding direct antonyms is tricky. However, we can think of things that represent manual or non-automated processes. Words like abacus, slide rule, or even pen and paper could be considered antonyms in the sense that they represent alternative methods for performing calculations and tasks without electronic assistance. For example, before computers, accountants relied heavily on the abacus for complex calculations. Another example, engineers formerly used a slide rule. Now programs do the work much faster on computers. In the past, students used pen and paper to write essays, but now most use computers. Usage in everyday life. Computers are everywhere. You use them for work, school, entertainment, communication, and so much more. You might say, I need to buy a new computer for school. Or, my computer crashed and I lost all my files. You could also say, I spend too much time on my computer. Common expressions involving computers include things like computer literate, meaning someone who is skilled at using computers, or computer virus, which refers to a malicious program that can damage your computer. Let's look at some more usage examples in sentences and phrases. I rely on my computer to stay connected with friends and family. The computer program helps me organize my schedule. She is taking a computer science class at the university. The company upgraded its computer systems to improve efficiency. He is a computer expert and can fix any problem. The computer generated a detailed report of the sales figures. The children are playing a computer game. I need to back up my files on the computer. The computer is an essential tool for modern life. Learning how to use a computer is a valuable skill. The computer allows me to work from home. The computer is constantly being updated with new software. I use the computer to research information for my projects. The computer helps me stay organized and on track. The computer is a valuable asset for businesses of all sizes. The computer has revolutionized the way we work and communicate. The computer is a complex piece of technology. I am grateful for the convenience and efficiency that computers provide. I use the computer to prepare my taxes. The computer is an indispensable part of modern society. So, to recap, a computer is an electronic device that processes data and executes tasks. While synonyms like processor, machine, and device can be used in certain contexts, antonyms are more conceptual, such as abacus, slide rule, or pen and paper. Computers are ubiquitous in modern life, and understanding their function is crucial. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word computer informative and engaging. Remember to subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss out on future word adventures. And if you enjoyed this episode, please leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and expand their vocabulary too. Finally, to put what you've learned into practice, create your own sentence using the word computer and share it in the comment section below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.